Hi guys, if your Firefox is crashing frequently on Windows 11 computer, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is click on these three horizontal lines, click on help, and then click on about Firefox and check for update and update Firefox. Make sure it is up to date. If it's still up to date, then what you can do, just open a new tab and then type about colon profiles, hit enter, and now the first thing you need to do is restart with add-ons disabled, and if without add-ons this is working well, then that means there is a problem with some of your add-ons. Then try to disable add-ons one by one and see if it works or not. Now if this does not work, then let's move to the final fix. Just go to about profiles again. This time create a new profile, click on next, name it anything, whatever you want, click on finish. And now once you have created this profile, click on launch profile in a new browser, and now see whether this works or not. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.